DLRs, hey, what's going on, Whiteboards? Well, the Whiteboards channel, thank you for watching. We're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners, however, a stand that we can mount on the wall to hang your Dyson vacuum cleaner. We're going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. DLRs, here it is inside the box, and we will open that here shortly. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase this. And we are excited. We think this is going to serve a great purpose. We're not going to bore you with the building or assembly process. We're just going to build it, show you the end result. Here it is. Well packaged. However, taking a step back before we begin assembling it, I do want to show you the parts removed from the box, and very important, the instruction sheet here. Just ensure you have all of your parts present. If you're missing parts, you can't really finish the project. Making progress. Here it is, fully built or assembled, and to be truthfully honest, it only took me about 12 minutes to put together. This part right here, or the top portion, the wall-mounted support part that comes with your Dyson vacuum cleaner, it is compatible with that portion right there. So you do have the option of not installing the base and just installing this entire bracket on the wall. However, if you don't want it on the wall and you want to be able to move it anytime you please, you've got the bottom base there. And I have applied the little pads on either corner. Taking a step back in DIYers, the project does look complete. However, it is not, and what I mean by that, I have fastly realized you do actually need the original wall-mounted brace or bracket that comes with your vacuum cleaner. We're back with you, and it's been a few days, and yes, we ordered the adapter mount that will secure to the top portion right there. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase that, and this is compatible with the V7 and V8 in our case. Here it is unpackaged, and the top part of the mount is the portion that has the pivot or hinge designed to it as shown here. And it came with 2 drywall anchors, 2 screws, and we are going to use the original hardware that came with the actual mount to secure that. Here it is installed, and again, very easy, just 2 screws and 2 nuts. Taking a step back, I do want to show it in motion, and the base portion or battery portion of your vacuum, this little rounded part here, you will shift it inside here and pivot it down and lock it in place. How cool is that? And to remove it, just push up and pivot it out and remove it from the mount. In addition, you can put or feed your battery cable through here so it can connect to the battery port. Coming inside the closet, we mounted this entire portion to the wall, and I removed the base just to show you what it looks like without it. And that base will still fit. However, that will be personal preference, whether or not you have it installed. In addition, I placed that adapter as well as a bristle adapter on the bottom inserts of the mount that came in the mail yesterday.